Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to bootuppd.org, you have likely tried out one of the games that you can create, like one of the mazes. So you can do a jump scare maze game, a blinking maze game, or just an amazing maze game. So those are fun, but I want to show you a different type of game that you can make that is a platform style game. So this particular game is titled Red Adventure Part 3, and it is by Hello Rhino. Now, Isaac SFA, which I featured a video of theirs previously, a project of theirs, actually recommended this particular one, and this one is hard. Now, I have beaten many of the Dark Souls games, Bloodborne, Sekiro, Neo 1, about to beat Neo 2, so some really hard games, but this game is very difficult. I have not actually finished it yet. So we can press the green flag. It's basically, it should be titled Jared Dies a Lot Simulator, because whenever I play through this, I really don't get very far. Like, I get past this axe person, and then I don't know why I die. Oh, I didn't even get past the axe person. Oh, and I died again immediately. So yeah, Jared Dying Simulator. This is a very hard game, but it is really neat. Now, if you actually look inside the code, you can see how this one works, but stay tuned on our channel because I actually am working on some platformers that I will release and show you how to create on your own. If you can't wait that long, you can actually check out Griff Patch's channel, as they have some videos on how to create some platformers. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn off this video, and I'm going to attempt to complete this. If you happen to complete it, comment below how fast it took you to complete it, because it shows you right here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.